Curry is also in the spotlight in the world of Chinese herbal medicine. Munetetsu Tei is a doctor of Chinese herbal medicine. He recommends eating curry with rice in the morning. Eating curry in the morning, the first thing you notice is that your blood circulation improves. In particular, there is a sharp rise in blood flow to the brain, and that effect sometimes continues for more than 3 hours. These benefits are available not just to the young, but to the elderly as well. People who are becoming forgetful and are concerned about cognitive impairment can benefit from these effects.